Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making project today. It's not the first time I use the slab mold. It's the first time I filmed the project using a slab mold. So I just removed the lid to show you the mold. This is a mold that I cut a few months back, I believe. It's helping us with production because it produces 44 bars of soaps at a time. So that's it. And then let me just explain to you quickly what we're doing today. I will cover it again. I have my batter divided. I do have actually 4 portions that I know how much I need for this one. The design I'm going to is similar to this one. This is a soap that I don't have it filmed on YouTube. It was a red currant and thyme soap. The design is simply one layer, one color, and then in the pot swirl between the white and the other color. Then the other color, which is purple, comes up, and then in the pot swirl between the red and the white on the top layer. So basically we have four layers. One is just a plain color, one is in the pot swirl, the other one is a plain color, and then one is in the pot swirl. And just if you notice here between these two, I textured the top, and then at the end the top will be textured as well. I really like how this soap turned out. I'm trying to reproduce the design with different colors. Instead of purple and red, I will use green and kind of turquoise. We'll see how it will turn. The fragrance we're using today is called Bergamot and Seagrass from Voyager's Soap and Candles company. It's a very fresh and green smell. And what else we have here? So as I said, we divided the batter into 4 portions, the 4 layers. I will start filming the project, and the fragrance is also measured here. It will be added each time before pouring, and the lye water solution will be divided also in this.